Hello everyone, this is Minhan. Today video I would like to show you how to bypass or upgrade your old computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11 that your computer could not pass the minimum requirement. Like here you can see no secure boot, TMP2 must be enabled this PC and does not support the CPU. Here my old computer 7 years old, when PC check cannot install. Okay, so how we fixing? So here I have download Windows 11 ISO. Let's open it. Just click open and to see whether we can go or not with the software. So just click next and wait for it. Let's see. And one thing, just so here we cannot install. Okay, must support here and boot. I have changed, haven't changed something. Let's close it and we take a while. And what we do now in order to upgrade to Windows 11, so let's first extract it. You can extract with 7-zip or other software. Just extract here. Okay, just right click extract here. Okay, right now we extract already. So one thing we need to do is go to source, and looking for one file called appraiser.dll, and we just open with, you can choose TT software to open that file, and we just search for TPM. You need to find TPM. So one thing is you can download here. I put link in description. You can download the file here that I have modified already. So just go here, source, and right click and replace it. Okay, after replace it, let's go to setup. Next, it will check for update and it will be good to go. So see, everything fine. So before we could not pass to this step, and then now we pass to this step, and you can just follow the instruction and you can install it. And if you looking for a software, and if you're looking for a cheap product key for Windows 11, just $11 or $12, check link in description. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. If you want to learn more about Windows 11, just click on the screen here. Okay, see you next video.